Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Help me to grow this channel. So today I'm here with my homeboy motorcycle, and he's doing a exhaust replacement on the Kawasaki 10XR. And basically we're just going to be using basic tools because I really don't have a lot of tools, so we're using basic tools today to get this done. So let's get into it. So guys, we're gonna start by removing the seat. So with this motorcycle, on the Yamaha it's a little bit different. It comes with this right here. You have to pick that up and pull on it. So it has a bracket inside that you have to slide to one side and pick it up. Just like that, the seat is out. So guys, after removing the seat, you're gonna wanna come to the right side of the motorcycle where the exhaust is, and you're gonna wanna start by pulling these bolts right here. So you can get access to the exhaust and the lower side of the exhaust. These are pre-pulled, so don't mind that, but you do have to pull all these just to have a better access to the exhaust. And the motorcycle is a little bit warm, so we're being mindful of that. Okay guys, so this is a Cerber. You all know the stock motorcycle comes with that. It allows the exhaust to open and close, so you're gonna remove that so you don't get a light on the motorcycle, and you're gonna put this Cerber body in. And that's the part number right there. So you want to use a Phillips screwdriver to open it. Just like that, it's out. And get that second one right there. Make sure not to lose any of these stuff down. So guys, this has a clip. You have to remove that clip. You can use a flat screwdriver just to prime that clip up. And just like that, the clip is out. So guys, you have to remove that cable. Take the cable out of both sides. So guys, once you get both cable out, it should be looking like this, and you remove that. You do have to push on those tabs to unlock it. So once you get those tabs open, you're gonna go ahead and pick those up. There you go, and feed it right through, and you get that out just like that. So guys, you want to get your Cerber body, and you're gonna plug it right back where you plug the you're gonna plug the Cerber body where you took the OEM Cerber from. And you go ahead and snap that back in. Guys, it comes with the correct fitting, so you don't have to splice any wires or anything like that. And just like that, you have that's done right there. You just tuck it away back inside the motorcycle, and that's it. Okay guys, so there's a zip tie right down there. you're gonna want to take your time and feed the cables through the zip tie, but you have the option of pulling the zip tie and replacing it, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna feed it through. So basically it's going through, so we're gonna pull on it, and there you go, it goes right through. Okay guys, so once you feed the cable through, it should come out on that side looking like that. The bolt right there is already pulled, and you just got to remove this bolt right there and take the exhaust down. Guys, remember, we're just using basic tool right now, so move that, then there you go. And there you go guys, just like that, their exhaust, their stock exhaust is out, and you just lost about 10 pounds, and there's a new exhaust right here. We're gonna unwrap that. It's an M4 exhaust. Can't wait to hear how that sounds, so let's go. There you go guys, stock exhaust, M4 exhaust right there. Okay guys, so as you can see here, the O2 sensor plug is not in there. You do have to put one in there. You get one with the exhaust, so you're gonna put that in there and make sure you tighten it up. Sure. And there's the O2 sensor right there. So this goes behind the O2 sensor, right there. Make sure that's tightened properly. So guys, right there, we're gonna be using the OEM nut. That's that right there, with a bolt that came with the exhaust. So you're gonna put the bolt back in and tighten the nut on the other side. So guys, you wanna make sure you open the clamp a little bit so you have some room to wiggle it in. So guys, you can also reposition the clamp too to make it easier. Just make sure it's not resting on any flaring or anything like that. You can reposition it so you can have a better tightening position. So there you go. That bolt, you put it back in there, put the nut that came with the exhaust to the rear, and you're gonna tighten that up. Make sure that's tightened properly so your exhaust doesn't move.
And I'll send it.
Okay guys, so that's how it's looking right now. Beautiful right there. Yes guys, so basically that's it. Just make sure this bolts not right there. Make sure you tighten that properly. And there we go. So guys, once you get the exhaust all tightened up and bottled up, you want to go ahead and replace all those screws you removed from the flaring. Put those all back. Guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and make sure that our servo body is working properly with no check engine light on the motorcycle. So it's a cold start. So guys, we have no check engine light, so that's good. And we're also gonna be removing the D-bead killer, or the silencer, whichever you decide to call it, so it can be as loud as possible.
Straight pipe.
Okay, so this is the startup without the dB killer inside.